Hey guys, we are going to be making some, I think my cousin called them egg cups. They're for breakfast. And basically you want to butter each one of these little cups. So if I can get some butter in there. I'm going to pour some egg. Then I want to grab some of the sausage that we had fried earlier. I'm just kind of breaking it up a little bit into some of my pieces were a little large. I have my oven preheated to 350. You can pretty much add anything to this that you want. If there's something in particular that you like, in an omelet, for example, you would just use that same ingredient in these. A few onions. And I like bell peppers. I should have used a different color since the eggs are yellow. They say we eat with our eyes first. Red or green would have probably looked pretty appetizing. I've got a triple cheddar mix, but any kind of cheese that you like. They would be good without the cheese as well. Okay, so these are going into the oven. I'll bring you back when they're done. So now the next step is to let these cool, and then we'll be able to pop them out and individually freeze them. Once they're individually frozen, they can all be dropped into a gallon-size freezer bag, and you can just get one out at a time each morning. I think that needed to be a little thicker. So, instead of making this two, I'm going to put it all in one sandwich. Just going to put that on here. This one on here. And Flip another one. Okay, so I have 3 of these. Now I can freeze as well. Okay, so we're going to get these wrapped. And into freezer bags. I already have the egg cups being individually frozen in the freezer. So once those are frozen, I'll simply put them all in one freezer bag. So this gets me, the egg cups are kind of small, so probably have 2 of those at a meal. So you're looking at 6 days right here with 3 of these and 6 of the egg cups. And it didn't take that long to do. Hope you guys have a great week.